software recommendation. So the compatible software with the Power BI are Windows 7, Windows Server 2008, R2, or the latest Windows 10 is recommended. Apart from the Windows setting, you have to have .NET 4.5 framework, and also to view or to work with the Power BI services, you have to have Internet Explorer 10 or later, or Google Chrome is also fine. Because if you are going to work in a Power BI desktop, that is a software which we can download freely, which I'm going to talk about later. And but if you are working on Power BI services, that in that case you have to open the service into the browser. So these are the browsers which are required or recommended in order to open it. Another important software recommendation can achieve using Power BI desktop. So you must know the Power BI knowledge in order to work in Power BI Pro and Power BI services, the different versions. So these were some software recommendation. Now, so I hope you found this video to be very helpful, and please do let me know if you have any query regarding this particular video. I'll definitely try to respond you, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel. All the information related to this particular video I have linked into the description box. Please do check out, and have a nice day, and thank you so much.